we'll just carry on with those who are here. My name is Bongane Juna Ngabamhlanga. I'm the chairperson of GPR student chapter. So I have 3 guest speakers. The other one is on the way currently, but I would like to welcome you all. Feel free to engage with the speakers in front, but we'll give a separate space of time for questions and answers. So firstly, I would like to introduce the first speaker of the day, which is eMalahleni. Most of you might know him as from drama, since I can say he's the face of drama in TUT campus. So he'll start by telling you about what he does and all that. And then after him, it's going to be Nkwana Basipedi, the man behind there, is going to present to you an opportunity that he also found as a student here in TUT. And then after it will be our guest speaker, the one who is currently running late. So without any waste of time, you can take the floor.
Sanbonan, can I have 2 minutes of just to place my things? I don't know if you guys will be able to see. Basically, I'm an artist, a self-taught artist. When my dream of being an artist started 3 years back, when I started drawing. It was a Christmas day. I was bored, and at Christmas everyone is doing their own things, and I was bored. And the only thing that I had was a City Press paper. City Press has this metal paper which is black on the art side, because there's an art piece on the City Press. So I took it and I looked at it, and I was like, I can actually do this. I started drawing the very same picture on the back side of the picture. So my uncle came and said, wow, that's nice, but can you try to draw something out of your own mind using your imagination? I will tell you a story. Then out of that story, try to visualize everything that I'm speaking or I'm telling you. Then try to put it in a drawing. It was difficult because it was my first time drawing. Growing up, I thought, you know what? The only thing that I could draw was Dragon Balls, cartoons, and that was it. So I started drawing. I drew more of imagination things that I imagined myself doing, places that I wanted to visit, Paris. And a friend of mine said, your drawings are good, man. Can you try to paint? My face painting was actually water paint, and it's sad, so it was really difficult to paint. And she said, no, you didn't give it time. Just give it more time. Try to paint more. And apparently this is my second painting. If you can see it now, it's not really good. So that was my first painting. I used acrylic painting, and it just didn't add up. Because what I was trying to draw, to paint was a place where I would find nice air where I could relax, and it didn't come out so much good. Then this was my fourth painting. I think I changed it 2 times, because with painting I can put your face over here. I can paint you changing this painting. So it allows me that flexibility to upgrade and to grow in my painting career. I had a lot of friends who asked me to do something for them. Some of the things you can see, well, since I'm in drama, we had a show at Grahamstown National Art Festival this year, and I had a character of a person who's from a poor background. Then he transformed and became rich, and power drove him crazy. So I tried to portray this picture where I came from a poor background to the city, and now all I have is this double-minded and double-sided person, which I don't really know where to stand. If I'm in the city life or living the rural life, because money drives people crazy. And this, it's a painting whereby a mother was.
Okay, as they've already mentioned, my name is Masichaba from Milkshake Marketing. I was told I should come and speak about the opportunities that are there in business while you are still in university. How many of you know the most successful business that was started in college? If you can just name one. Facebook. Yeah, that's the most successful. But there's another one that competes with it, and it was also started in college, and we use it almost every day. Google. There's the third one. Okay, this one is not so famous, but it is known by ladies because it has something to do with reading. I don't want to give you yeah, it is successful. Okay, it's a magazine. Let me just give you a clue. Not Cosmopolitan. Times magazine. And there are many others as well, other businesses that were started in varsity that are successful, but I just wanted to start with those ones because I know we use them all the time in this room. Even this morning I was Googling them. I used Google to Google all the successful businesses that were started in college. So just a small background about me, my student life. I'm an LLB student, by the way. I'm studying with UNISA, and then I also run Milkshake Marketing, which is a marketing company. I do events and marketing, but that's not why I'm here. I'm here to talk about the beauty of actually running a business while you're still a student and the opportunities thereof. I started selling pin pop. You know, most as a student, there's always going to be that one who's selling something at school. And in my school, it was illegal. So I was that illegal hawker, that illegal vendor. I sold pin pops and I sold snacks for 1 rand. That's how, actually, for me, school was more interesting when I had stock than when I just go there and don't have stock. I'm just going to sit and listen, you know. And then that was in primary. High school, I got there. You know, Mafia High School, when you get to high school, you start behaving in a certain way, in a particular way, adolescent stage and whatever. So I thought, you know what, I'm not going to be that illegal vendor. Now I'm in high school, I have to behave in a certain way. The guys and everything. And guess what? I found myself selling pin pops again, even in high school. Yeah, so, and then I just started enjoying it. I told myself, this is what I'm going to do after school. I'm just going to continue having this because it kept my mind off a lot of things, you know. When you're not worried about your schoolwork, at least you are you're generating some money, you know. Even when maths eats you, you know that at least, you know what, I sold 5. You look there how much profit you've made, and then, you know. So, but again, I just want to discuss with you the importance of the relevance of a business. You need to start a business that solves a solution. That comes with a solution. That comes with a solution to a certain problem. So Facebook was started because the students were unable to reach one another. So it was started like TUT for you to be able to find one another. So that's how it was started at, what is it? I'm sure you know the story. Harvard, thank you. It was at Harvard. And then Google also, it was started at college because the student found it hard to generate research, to do research, and then one of the students came up with that. So as a student, you can look around and see what is it that and the reason why I used to sell pin pops is because I used to be in those schools where there was like the cafeteria was so expensive. It was like Spitz, you know, Spitz. Our cafeteria was that expensive. So I thought, you know what? Not all of us come from wealthy families. Maybe my pocket money is like 5 rands. So it means if I go to Spitz, I can't even afford pie. Pie was like 7 rands. So I was like, you know what? Let me cater for the hood rats like myself, you know. And then so and my business was doing fine then, because if ever umuntu carry 2 rand, they know they're gonna come to me. They're gonna get a pin pop and a packet of knickknacks for the day, you know. So what you need to do is to look around. Firstly, look at the market of that business. Obviously, now we are not talking about illegal vendors anymore. We're talking serious things that will be a legacy for you or your children one day. So I'm just trying to say that you must just not undermine yourself because you are still a student and think the only thing that you need to do is to get your degree. I'm studying towards law and I'm doing very well with my studies. I think it's just that I'm not sure if she checks, but every time I get a distinction, I post on Facebook, like, hey, 1 distinction. You know, I really excel with my studies, you won't believe it. And yet again, I am running an events business. You know, organizing an event is not child's play. But I've told myself, in a day I have 24 hours. So, okay, I study. Studying is not that hard. You just study and you get the stuff in your... Okay, it depends on what you are doing. It depends on what course you're doing. But I believe studying is not hard because you need to choose something you have a passion for.
That's so, Maths,
Maths is doing this week. Okay. Okay. So in a day you have 24 hours. And then I know maths is really hectic. And then I told myself, okay, with the other hours, what can I do? I wake up, I study, maybe I go to school, and then I come back. But then while I'm in school, you know, there's always some time in between. There's always that time. If you can have time to smoke, for those who are smokers, I hope there is none. But if you can get time to smoke in college, if you can get time to chill under a tree with someone special, if you can get time to, you know, to do other things, why not utilize that time to create wealth for yourself? Especially with us, I'm glad we are all like of the same color here, so I can say, okay, she said it. Okay, I'm saying, I'm glad that we are of the same race, yeah. So it's easy for me to say, you know what, look, abantu abamnyama, let us create wealth. The previous speaker mentioned that you must not just be fascinated by buying a Vorpa, and then what? How about creating your own Vorpa company one day? Since there's Vorpa, when I'm talking about this, you know? why not look? There's always a loophole. There's always a loophole in business. Even Tolubuti, maybe milkshake marketing does events, but they don't cater for maybe abandabatan, and then you're like, okay, I'm gonna do for that market. There's always a loophole. Umuntu cannot be so intelligent that you cover everything, every need that there is in the world. So let us be that smart. Let us always be vigilant to see what is it that is missing. What is it that you need to be curious. One of the characteristics of an entrepreneur is curiosity. You need to be curious. You need to be curious. You know what? Why is that guy sitting there alone while everyone is sitting this side, you know. So that's the kind of mentality I would just like for all of us to have. Don't just like to be like everyone, follow where the road leads. Someone once said this, create your own path, find your own path. If I co-create it, you know, and leave a trade for someone else. That's how we should. We are that generation. We are that free. We're no longer fighting against, PW Botha. We're no longer fighting against. We are fighting against our wealth. We know that we are the ones, Tina, as we know in history. Our great-grandparents were the ones with the land. They were the ones with the livestock. Tina, our revolution. Our revolution. There's a quote that says every generation has a revolution, and it is up to them to cheat it or to fight it. So I just want to say to us, Tina, our revolution is wealth. Let us be wealth driven. Get out there, student of new student. Get out there and do something in your life. Thank you.